Here's another big package for video reviews. Oh, this is a camping light from OGERY. It has a highlighting lamp bed, a hook, a magnetic suction. It's waterproof. It charges with a Type-C USB. It has a power bank. 5-year lighting settings. Wow. I'm gonna do a proper unboxing video outside in my backyard. Here I am in my backyard. Let's finish the unboxing of this camping light by OGERY. So I really like this already because this looks like this is a battery pack. Not only is a light, oh, it's super bright. There's this flashlight here, flashing. Wow. It looks pretty amazing because it has multiple functions, different levels of lighting, and it extends. It has a hook to hang it, and as I said, it's also a battery pack. You can connect here USB-C regular and USB-C, so you have both. And it has this tripod. Let's move it out here to install it. So you just can put it there. Actually, you can use it as a torch. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is also a magnet. Since I have a metal column here, I can just put it there. There you go. Now I have a portable light. Wow, this is a really well-designed product. I'm completely impressed with it. I'll come back when it's a little darker. So here's the darkest part of my house, this alley. Look at this amazing light. We can definitely use this at a camping site with powerful lights and also a power bank to charge everything else. And if you are out in the woods and you don't have a metal column, you can also use this hook. Let's see if I can get it. There it is. So you have multiple ways of using this camping light. This is just a demonstration here in my backyard. I can't wait to go out and do actual camping and test it like it's supposed to be used. So for now, that's it. A really good product. Thumbs up. That's more likely like a scenario for a camping site. And here you have a little birdhouse that I built in one of my upcycling projects.